XU photoelectric sensor is easy to install. Select the mounting bracket adapted to the situation. Then, fix the sensor with the 2 screws supplied with the bracket. For the best detection performance, the transmitter and the receiver must be aligned properly. Translate the transmitter or receiver up, down, and left, right. When the setting is optimal, the stability LED is lit. Setting the sensitivity is easy thanks to the potentiometer, the yellow output status LED, and the green stability LED. Here is a demo in dark on mode. Align properly the receiver and the transmitter. The receiver is delivered with the sensitivity set on maximum value. On the receiver, turn the potentiometer counterclockwise until the stability LED, green, switch off. Set the middle point between the point A and B. Verify that the operation LED status changes when an object goes through the beam.